Welcome to our tutorial on how to add end screen on YouTube video. 1. Sign into YouTube Studio. 2. From the left menu, select Content. 3. Click the title or thumbnail of the video you'd like to edit. 4. From the left menu, select Editor. 5. Select End Screens and select the element you want to add. Apply Template. Templates contain groupings of elements that you can customize to create an end screen. Video. Feature your most recent upload, best for viewer, or a specific video. Playlist. Display a public YouTube playlist. Subscribe. Encourage subscriptions to your channel. Channel. Promote another channel with a custom message. Link. If you're in the YouTube Partner Program, you can link to an external website. You have learned how to add end screen on YouTube video. Thank you for watching our guide.